In this episode, you will see David destroying the ceiling, someone living in our ceiling, and cleaning up our house. Let's go! Today we're gonna do something I don't even know. We started late because we were enjoying the amazing sunshine that does not exist anymore. And yeah, we're gonna keep doing the walls. David has cleaned everything except of that part. That's what it's left and it doesn't come off like in the other room on our side. So I'm gonna clean up probably because David wants to break down the ceiling and I do not want to be here when that is happening. It does not sound that safe. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do. But for now, David is gonna do this one, and I'm gonna start cleaning. So let's get started, put my nice outfit up, my head outfit, and get started.
We're gonna do the ceiling now.
Nice!
We're not gonna mess it up like last time. We're gonna take off the plaster first, then the wood, and then we're gonna get into the dirty clay, so everything gets nice and clean, and then we get all nice and dirty. Sounds worse, but... Jump high and touch the ceiling! Oh, wow, it's like a party. Jump high and touch the ceiling, yay!
I would suggest you put on a mask. Good?
Yeah. That's the rat nest. That's why it's all like sagging down because it was peed on and stuff. I'm a bit tired. I'm gonna change up the jobs, get a shovel, and bring the rubble out to the road to have something else to do.
Yeah.
Because my muscles are starting to get tense.
And I'm gonna start cleaning because I look beautiful, and I'm gonna start cleaning. Do you see them moving?
Mm-hmm.
You cannot really see it, but probably the birds that you saw in the beginning of the video are living in our house, kind of. And the problem is that we need to take this ceiling down, not today probably, but tomorrow, the next day. And the problem is that they're there, and I do not want to disturb them. So we need to be super careful to not bother them. And I do not want to stress them out or anything. But we probably will stress them out, and already stressing them out. But I thought that they were like there on this wood, like behind that, and I would not bother them, but they're literally down here. So we are bothering them and they're bothering our work. So we need to look into that and see how we can fix that, or like do not destroy it by destroying our ceiling. Because we do want to destroy our ceiling, but we don't want to destroy their house. I'm gonna try to show you exactly. Maybe gonna put some light so you can see. We are having a break. We're breaking. We didn't do much. Well, I didn't do. David, you have done a thing. I'm like interviewing you. David, I think you have done like 1/4 of the ceiling, right?
Correct.
Correct. And I have done 1% of the wall.
No, a lot more.
Oh well, okay. Today I didn't do much, but the weather kind of get back. In the morning I was sitting here with shorts and a tank top, sweating, and now I'm cold. So we thought that we're gonna eat an ice cream, and we've had some super cool ice creams with berries. That's one I am eating. Oh, you zoomed in.
Go.
That's one I'm eating. We only have one with these berries. Each of us got 2 ice creams because they're not that big, and they were super cheap. And David has this one.
Upside down. Upside down.
Oh, that is up down. This one, I don't know what berries that is.
It's not a berry. It's more like, it's like a peach, but like yellow and
so
sour.
Each of us got 2 ice creams, We're gonna enjoy them. And we're gonna do more work. I don't want, but we have to.
Try this, try that, try everything. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Are you cold?
Oh my god, the camera got big. No? It's warm.
You sure?
It's 29 degrees.
Did you eat both of your ice cream?
Ice cream's made me cold, not the weather. Now I will go.
Take your chair because it's gonna rain tomorrow.
Not today though. Maybe I sit outside. Okay, back to work. That's how you work. Stretching. If you want to sign up for free demolition course, come on over.
So dusty.
Huh?
Dusty.
Dusty is not
You have the lamp on top of your head.
A what?
The lamp's on top of your head.
I relocated a bit. Tarzan. No, no, that's Lion King.
You having fun?
Playing with electricity is not fun, kids. I said no one ever.
We're done pre-shower. We forgot to vlog anything because we were just too dirty and too annoyed of the dirt. But we were like, oh, nice and clean, smelling nice like the nature. But I'm gonna take all the clothes in because the sky's getting super dark and it said it's gonna rain tomorrow. So very good that we did the clothes. And main thing is I'm gonna do the bed as well. Because I washed everything, so I need to vacuum clean. But you don't have to fold them. I'm just fold them inside. Okay. So let's do the last job of the day, which is make the bed and vacuum clean, and then we can eat and relax. Oh, always this struggle of finding the tops and the bottom. So are you just putting it? Do you always have the top and the bottom for your bed sheet? Because I do. Even if it's washed on 60 degrees, I still want to have the same top and bottom. Like I had before.
You're hungry, yeah?
I'm hungry. Yes, I am hungry. I'm very hungry. Yeah.
I have washed some dishes, mainly the cups, so I can drink my coffee in the morning. And I'm boiling hot water.
Which is not boiling.
For dumplings.
Very good. We're a good team, aren't we? Oh, you are not.
Yeah, we are a good team. Now we need to go get monsters.
As David said, we're gonna take out the monsters. Because they know how to open it, we actually wanted to eat first because we're super hungry. But clearly they want to go out for a walk. Right? Right? Go. You have eaten very good. Let's see, can you open it? Look, how she's using her hands. They're cooperating. She's opening it for her. Always this one's the first one to come out. Okay, let me make it easier for you. Oh, okay. Number 2. We need to cut those up. Oh.
No, there's no need. What, you want to make it easier for them to sneak out?
Come on. Come on. Why are you on your knees in the first place, my girl? Okay, let's go for a walk. We successfully brought the goats for a walk, and now we can finally relax and eat. So what I wanted to show you is how we made our TV. I don't know if I've showed it in any other video, but probably you have just seen the strings hanging, and it looks like a bit of a like inappropriate activity you could do, but no, it's for TV. Well, a monitor. Before we had another cable that we could attach on our phone, but that broke. So now we have to use a laptop with the HDMI cable, right?
No, VGA.
VGA.
It's a bit older.
VGA, and so we can watch. And we made it like this because this monitor is really, really bad. So if you have it like this,
Bad viewing angle.
bad viewing angle, so you cannot see much. So we always need to tilt it, and depending how low you're sleeping, look at this amazingness. You know, whenever you always want to just lay and watch like this. Easy.
Perfect.
Easy, I can do it. And for breakfast, you can also make it into a table. I've actually used a lot of times like this way, but okay. Let's just eat. You ate already, you girly, right? But that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna see you in the next video.